This is an indexing mechanism using mutilated gears. Unlike normal gears, these gears do not have teeth around the entire circumference. Some sections are intentionally left without teeth. When the toothed section engages, the driven gear rotates and transmits motion. But when the smooth section reaches the contact point, the gears stop interacting, and the driven gear remains stationary. This creates a cycle of motion and dwell. That means the mechanism moves for a short period, then pauses before the next rotation. This type of intermittent motion is extremely useful in automatic machines, indexing tables, packaging systems, and manufacturing equipment. By carefully designing the tooth segments, engineers can control exactly when the motion starts and stops. Simple idea, but very clever mechanical engineering.